How to enable private browsing. Sometimes you will not want your browser to save any information about your visit to a web page. For instance, if you don't want a website to save cookies on your device, or you don't want your child to know you are browsing about favorite gift to buy for them, you can use private browsing. In addition, in private mode browsing allows you for multiple sessions. For instance, you may access your Gmail account or Yahoo account on a normal window and use the secret mode tab to open the Yahoo Mail account of that of your friend or family member without logging out on your own account. Pages viewed in secret mode are not listed in your browser history or search history and leave no traces on your device. This is how you can do it. Go to Microsoft Edge and click the free horizontal button and click New Private Window. Perfect. Now you are in the private browser. You can navigate easily without leaving trace. So if you want a shortcut, you can use Control and Shift and N. Perfect. Now you are in the private browser. You are in private mode. So if you use Google Chrome, you can go to the free vertical dot and click New Incognito window. Perfect. Now you are in the private mode. You can easily navigate without leaving trace. So if you want a shortcut, you can tap Control and Shift and N. Perfect. Now you know how to enable private browsing. If you like this tutorial, subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.